log ride, and you can pay for fishing. I think it's around about £6 a day. Just below the fishing pond is another pond lake type. I've heard they put the paddling boats in here. Kids play area. Got a sandpit. The log rides are a pound each. You okay? It's gone in your eyes. And it extends out to swings, and there's a baby little toddlers play area up there. And just behind Nyla, we've got the cabin entertainment on a night time. We'll show you that a bit later. Upstairs, we've got a soft play area and a function room with the cafe and toilets, disabled toilet on the right hand side and the cafe in there. Say hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
It's the main entrance, which you've got to put a code in to get in. As a notice board, what's on all today. And at the bottom field, mainly it's all tents after the car park, port cabin, portaloo. There's a couple of pitches for your camper vans, but mainly it's just tents down here and car park. And then you go up to the top field.
Can I go say hi to that dog?
Also, side of the grounds is this zip wire. I've been a few times here, never seen it in action, so I don't know if it's active or the certain parts of the time of the year it actually works.
Wow.
The map of the site.
No dogs allowed. No dogs allowed. No, Amy, no pooing. No pooing, but you're allowed to walk.
And keep your dog in the lead, eh?
You're allowed to walk the dog over.
Birthday party functions for the function rooms upstairs. Back of the function rooms, got table tennis, table soccer, and a bench area. Sweeping across to the female toilets and the male toilets. And up there, there's more camping pitches and pods. Guys, what I will recommend if you've got electric hookup like I have there, got this from the Go Outdoors. I have got a diesel heater and I will be doing a video on installing that when I come round to it on the van, but at the moment, as I'm family camping, I went and bought this plug-in heater, minimal storage, fantastic heater, highly recommended GML. I've seen the ones as low as £7 the day, ones from Aldi. This one for £40, you can get them cheaper, but yeah, and it's got, you can turn the temperature down as low as you want, high or low as you want basically. Times are 12 hours up to 1 hour, and speed is low and high. So yeah, highly recommend this plug-in heater, and it does really quickly heat the van up. So basically top of that hill, gravel and grass area with a lot of Torahs in there. Got toilets, couple of season pitches, log cabins, more caravans. So yeah, above the hill you got all the Torahs section, and furthermore kids area, and a large sandpit there. So there's plots everywhere of kids parks and stuff, plenty of room as you can see. It's the first weekend this actually where restrictions of going inside are allowed now, so to turn you around, so we're allowed to go inside now and be sectioned off and can eat your food. It was a bit pricey obviously, everything's gone up in the pandemic. 28 quid I think we paid, and because we wanted to be at the bottom, because we come with a couple of family who come with tents, we got on the edge of a car park to be honest, but I'd rather be down there with them than up here a little bit out of the way to be honest, because it's quite a bit of a walk to get down to the main, you know, entertainment bit. Especially when you've got kids, you want to be as close to it as possible, don't you? Just up here, to turn you around. Through there, I don't really want to go in there to disturb them, but you got your little camping pods there. It's got to be closer. Camping pods there. Over there you've got, I think where the managers stay and the staff. So I won't really go up these sort of ends, but I'll bring you back just over here. Got a little woodland walk. What takes you around the centre, so if you come with a dog, just turn you around. If you come with a dog and you fancy a bit of a hike, there's the easy woodland walk. They're the pods there, to be honest. And the woodland walk's just behind me down there, all the way around the centre. Nice little walk. But what can I say? It's a family, basically family camping and caravan site. Plenty to do for kids. Yeah, it's overcast, the weather. It's been raining on the first, shall we say, unlock weekend. Hopefully, like we're in May now, so hopefully it'll get warmer and warmer, should I say. And this place will probably get better and better. We paid about £28 for that camper van pitch, but because we've got a young daughter, we're gonna mix it up. I'll be doing my wild camping, I'll be doing my sort of activations, I'll be mixing it, you know, like sometimes we're going family days out and stuff like that, so a bit of a mixed variety on the channel. Keeps it interesting instead of the same thing and stuff like that. It's all about the great outdoors, guys, and getting out and family adventures and stuff like that, which I'm all about, to be honest. And I like to do my own thing, do a bit of wild camping, a bit of bushcraft and a bit of sort of activations and ham radio. But the main thing of all, I'm out making videos. You know, I've done the camper van up, yeah, with some help and some money. But you know, what's money when you're going to get family memories, guys? That's it, because you know, it's not good saving up all your life. I mean, you know, I'm croaking at the end of it. What's that good? You might as well get out while you can. But your kids are young, your family's young, you're young. Make much memories you can, because you never know, anything can happen. And we've all learned through this pandemic, you know, and we've all grown closer in some ways. And now we're starting to get out. Let's all get out together and enjoy life, basically, especially the outdoors. And not only that, I know I'm rabbiting on a bit, but people have learned that it's not all about going abroad once a year, same hotel, same place. And I forgot my selfie stick and my arm were hurting then. Yeah, it's not about going to the, you know, same place year in, year out. It is nice, you know, going to see sometimes it is, you know, but just go try different places, guys. And especially people realise in England, well, they're being forced to, really, because they can't travel, but they'll open their eyes. They'll open their eyes, because there's a lot to discover here in his home country. And even I've been told stories where people have even walked around the local woods, local area, and they didn't even know half the stuff were even there. So it just goes to show, doesn't it? Yeah, we're always up against the weather, but it just makes you come together, and makes you all, you know, really appreciate it, guys. And I suppose a lot of people will be going in England now. You know, we've got, and the British Isles, and you know, we've got Wales, Scotland, beautiful views, sceneries up there, and you'll be amazed what these campsites are all about, family and bonding and stuff like that. And then when you fancy it, go on all these fancy inclusive, you'll appreciate it more, instead of just going every year, same thing, year in, year out, and same places. You know exactly what you're going to be doing, what you're going to be eating, you know, just mix it up a bit, I say. That's what it's all about. So guys, that were the Golden Valley camping and caravan site here in Derbyshire, and give it a try. It's good. For your family, it's good. So next video is going to be brilliant, guys. I've done a wild camp, and yeah, we did a wild camp, so look out for that video. So as you can see, it's not a bad site for your kids. Plenty of entertainment on throughout the day. To sum it up, yeah, I recommend you come in with your family, whether that's camping or camper vanning. And some staff are a bit picky, you know, with your kids jumping about, or you know, like kids being kids, boisterous and stuff like that. And other staff are excellent. So yeah, what I found anyway. But overall, yeah, it's a good site. The food is nicely priced, as you can see, and it is pretty nice actually. So I'm just going to settle in now. We still got plenty of power going in there from the solar system. I've got the fridge on. I'm going to get the TV on now, and yeah, just settle down. See you on the next one.